So in this video, we are going to learn how to summarize real estate agreement using AI agent. Let's say you work in the real estate industry and you are dealing with a lot of agreements and contracts on a daily basis. And to summarize or to get the details of each and every contract and maintain a record is the tedious task for you. So in this video, we are going to build an AI agent which is automatically going to get the files of the agreement from our Google Drive folder and send it to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, this AI agent is going to get the summary of the agreement or the contract, and after that, it is going to add the details of the file and the summary in your Google spreadsheet just to maintain a record of all the data and all the agreements. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder in which I'm adding the contracts and the agreements related to my real estate business sales and purchase. Now we build an AI agent which will pick the new documents, new PDF which we are uploading in this Google Drive folder and send it to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, this AI agent will extract all the important details and summarize the document as well. And at last, this AI agent will add the summary of the document with the file name and the file URL from the Google Drive in our Google spreadsheet. Now, in this video, we are just taking an example of Google Sheet, but using this AI agent, you can send this data to anywhere. You can just summarize your documents or contract related to your real estate business and add it to any application of your choice. Now, to connect all of these applications and build the AI agent, we have used Pabbly Connect. And before we get started with Pabbly Connect, let me just clear or delete the details of this document from my Google spreadsheet. So now what we have done, we just have the PDF file in our Google Drive folder. So what is going to happen? We are going to start the process of building this AI agent from scratch step by step. So first we have to access Pabbly Connect, and for that just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI Agent for Real Estate Document Summary. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Let me just correct it, Real Estate. Now, after naming our workflow, what we want to do, we want to basically just select the folder of our Pabbly Connect account in which we want to set up this workflow and click on Create. Now, as we click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this workflow, this AI agent works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Google Drive account, this Google Drive folder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we upload a new contract, a new agreement or a new PDF document of our real estate business, automatically the details of the same document will be captured by this AI agent and this AI agent will trigger. It will start. So for that, here in trigger step, in choose app, search for Google Drive. Just select it. After selecting Google Drive, in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new file in specific folder. After selecting the trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this sign in with Google button. And after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Drive account. Then we will just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the folder or subfolder. So in this drop-down, you will get a list of all the folders and subfolders which you have in your Google Drive account. Out of all of this, the documents, the agreements or contact of my real estate business, I'm adding in this particular folder named as Real Estate Contract. So I want to capture the new files, the new documents from this particular folder for this AI agent. So from this drop down, we are going to select the folder for which we want to basically capture or fetch the new documents. After selecting the folder or subfolder, the last file, the most recent file which we have uploaded in this folder will be captured inside Pabbly Connect when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button. So right now in this particular folder, you can see that we have only one PDF file. The name of the file is Demo Test Purchase Agreement over here. So we have the purchase agreement for our real estate business of a client. Now, right now you can see that if I open this file, the share permission of this file is private to only me. But to send this file to OpenAI and to summarize it, we have to basically change the share permission of this file, because with this share permission, OpenAI won't be able to access this file. And not just this, for each and every file which we are uploading in this Google Drive folder, we have to change the share permission for all the files so that this AI agent can send it to OpenAI and summarize it. But changing the share permission of each and every file is a tedious and repetitive task. So what you can do, you can change the share permission of this complete folder as well. Just click on this folder name and from the drop down, just click on share button. And after clicking on share, here you can see that under general access, the share permission of my Google Drive folder is restricted. From this drop down, I'll just select anyone with the link and click on done. And as we click on done here, you can see that the share permission of this Google Drive folder will be changed. And now the share permission of all the files in this folder is also changed. So earlier, the share permission of this file was private to only me, but now it is anyone with the link. Now, after changing the share permission of the folder, get back to your Pabbly Connect workflow and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. In this response, you can see the details of the last file, the most recent file, and currently the only file which we had in our Google Drive folder. So here you can see that we have received the web view link of the file. If we open this link in a new tab, the same file will open in front of us. Then after that, here we have the direct download link of the same file as well. If we open this file, the file will be downloaded. We will scroll down further and here you can see some other details related to the file as well. Like here you can see that we have the name of the file and the rest of the details. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed, where we have successfully captured the new file of the agreements of the contract from Google Drive inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, in step 2, we want this AI agent to send the same file to OpenAI to summarize it. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, we will search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Extract Content from PDF/image. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, here we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just log into your OpenAI account and go to Dashboard. From Dashboard, on the left sidebar, just go to API Keys, and under API Keys, click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this secret key a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI Agent for Real Estate Business. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you want to generate the API key and select the permission as all and click on this Create Secret Key button. And as we click on Create Secret Key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the OpenAI model. So in this drop-down, here you can see a list of models which you can use to extract the data from the PDF file and summarize it. Out of all of this, I want to use GPT-4o Mini as the model. So I'm selecting that. Then after that, it is asking us for the image/PDF URL over here. So what is the URL of the PDF file from which we want to extract the content and summarize it? So here in the trigger step of this workflow of Google Drive, we have received the response of the download link of the same file which we have uploaded in our Google Drive folder. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of the download link of the file to this OpenAI action step in this PDF URL field. Now to add the trigger step responses in this action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of PDF URL, and here from the drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Drive in the trigger step, in the previous step. Out of all of these responses, select the response of the download link and it will be mapped. After mapping the PDF file URL over here, it is asking us for the prompt. Now here in prompt, we have to basically give a prompt that what do we want OpenAI to do. So I have already created a prompt. Let me just enter that prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I want to give to OpenAI to summarize this real estate agreement. The prompt says you are an AI trained to read and summarize real estate purchase agreements, or basically real estate agreements as well. You can just keep it. Analyze the following contract and provide a concise summary of the key terms, conditions, and obligations. Do not use special characters like hash or star for any formatting. Just written plain text, your summary should include details about the buyer, seller, property address, property type, property purchase, and all of that. So here we have basically given a prompt with all the details which we want to summarize by OpenAI. After entering the PDF file URL and entering the prompt, clearly mentioning that what do you want OpenAI to do with this file, we will just scroll down and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. So let's wait for a few seconds. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. Now in this response, here you can see that in front of message content, we have received a summary of the same document. And in this summary, we have all the crucial details of the agreement which we have uploaded in our Google Drive folder. Here you can see we have the buyer name, seller name, property address, type, price, and all the other details. Now, if you want to extract or get some specific details, you can obviously update the prompt according to that. And this action step, this AI agent will extract those details and give us in the summary in response. Also, by using the structured output field, if you want to extract all the key elements and add them into a structured format like in a Google Sheet, you can use it. You just have to enter the JSON schema and you can just basically extract all the details into the same format and get individual response for individual detail as well. If you need any help, we have a lot of videos already live on the channel for the same. Now, after completing step 2, we want this AI agent to add the same summary and the file details in our Google spreadsheet. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and here in Choose App, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account. Then after that, we will just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the spreadsheet. So in this drop-down, here you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, we have to select the spreadsheet in which we want to add the summary. So I've created the spreadsheet named as Real Estate Agreement Summary, in which we want to add the details. So I'm going to select the same spreadsheet over here. After selecting the same spreadsheet, you can see that in this spreadsheet, we have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why in the next field in this drop-down of Select Sheet, we have only one option of Sheet 1 and we are going to select that. Then it is asking us for the file name, file URL, and summary. Basically, all the 3 column headers which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these fields are added over here inside Pabbly Connect. And one by one from the previous steps, we have to add these fields, map the details into these fields. And we will use the same process of mapping. We'll just click on this field of file name, and we know that we have received the file name from Google Drive in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we are going to select the response of the file name over here, which we have uploaded in Google Drive, and map it. After mapping the file name, it is asking us for the file URL. So from the drop-down from Google Drive responses, we are going to select the response of the web view URL and map it. And then here in the field of summary, we are going to add the summary of the document which we have received from OpenAI. Select it and map it as well. So in this way, we have mapped all the details into their respective fields. Now, after mapping all the details, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that all the details which we have mapped over here are now added as a new row in this Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see that in this Google spreadsheet, a new row of data is added. Here you can see that we have added the same file name of the file which was uploaded in our Google Drive folder. Then here you can see we have the link of the same file, and if I click on this link, the same document will open in front of us from our Google Drive over here. And at last, we have the summary of the same document of the same real estate agreement done by OpenAI over here. So in this way, we have successfully created this AI agent using which you can just get the new contract or the agreements from your Google Drive folder, extract the details and summarize it, and add the summary with the file details in your Google spreadsheet. Now, after setting up this AI agent, we are going to test this AI agent once. For that, we are going to upload another document in this Google Drive folder. So I'll just click on this plus button and select to upload a new file over here. So this is another agreement of the real estate deal. I'll just open it and upload this file in this Google Drive folder. Now the real estate agreement is uploaded over here. The file name is test dummy agreement over here, and we have some details. And as we upload a new file in this Google Drive folder, we will see automatically within 10 minutes, this AI agent will capture the new file, extract the details, summarize it, and add all the details in our Google spreadsheet. And it will basically take 10 minutes of time because the connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect trigger, this AI agent, is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, our AI agent will check for new files, new agreements in our Google Drive folder every 10 minutes. So we just have to wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Google spreadsheet. And yes, here you can see that in this Google spreadsheet, the details of the same agreement are now added. We have the same file name, we have the link of the same file. If I click on this link, the same file will open in front of us. And we have the summary of the same file of the same document as well. So in this way, you can see we have tested this AI agent and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can build AI agent to connect multiple applications and automate multiple processes of your business using Pabbly Connect. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of this same AI agent of this workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same AI agent, same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.